In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube error. There was a problem with this server. Now I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and fix this. So the first step is we're just going to head over to our Android home screen, and then you need to open up the Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and click on Manage Apps and Device. Now select Updates, and if you see YouTube in this list of outdated software, then just go and click on Update to make sure we're running the latest version. Now, once you've done that, head back over to the home screen and go and load up your settings. Now scroll down this page until you see Apps and go and click on this. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see YouTube and click on YouTube from the list. Click on Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and click on OK. Now scroll down to Storage and click on this. Click on Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side and then press Clear Data in the bottom left and go and click on Delete. Once you've done this, you can try opening up YouTube and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open back up the settings, click on Connections, click on More Connection Settings, and where it says VPN, make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs, as this can also cause the server error. Now finally head back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on General Management and click on Date and Time. Make sure automatic date and time is turned on, and also automatic time zone needs to be switched on. Once you've done this, you should be able to open YouTube, and that should have now solved the error 400